The Olympic Games are a celebration of human spirit, athletic excellence, and global unity. Over the years, many cities have had the honor of hosting this grand event, each leaving a unique legacy. Join us as we explore the top 5 most successful Olympic host cities. From their remarkable organization to lasting impacts, these cities have set the gold standard for what it means to host the Olympic Games. Let's dive into their inspiring stories. Our journey begins in Barcelona, Spain, the host of the 1992 Summer Olympics. These games are often credited with transforming the city and setting a new benchmark for future host cities. Barcelona used the Olympics as a catalyst for urban renewal, improving infrastructure and enhancing its global image. The 1992 Games were more than just a sporting event. They were a celebration of Catalan culture and a showcase of Spain's vibrant heritage. From the stunning opening ceremony to the unforgettable performances by athletes like the Dream Team in basketball, Barcelona 1992 left an indelible mark on Olympic history.
Barcelona's transformation was incredible. The Games led to the development of the Olympic Village, improvements in public transportation, and the revitalization of the waterfront. The city's successful hosting of the Olympics boosted tourism and positioned Barcelona as a premier destination.
Today, visitors to Barcelona can still see the legacy of the 1992 Olympics in its vibrant neighborhoods, stunning architecture, and world-class sports facilities. The city stands as a testament to the lasting impact a well-hosted Olympics can have. Next, we travel to Sydney, Australia, the host of the 2000 Summer Olympics. Sydney's Games were dubbed the best Olympic Games ever by then IOC President Juan Antonio Samaranch. The city's meticulous planning, warm hospitality, and stunning venues made it an unforgettable event. The 2000 Olympics were a showcase of Australian culture and spirit. Highlights included the dramatic lighting of the Olympic cauldron by Cathy Freeman, a symbol of reconciliation and unity, and memorable performances by athletes from around the world.
The atmosphere in Sydney was electric. The city came alive with the excitement of the Games. The volunteers, known as the Games Force, played a crucial role in ensuring everything ran smoothly and that visitors had a fantastic experience.
Sydney's successful hosting of the Olympics left a lasting legacy, with world-class sports facilities, improved infrastructure, and a boost to tourism. The city's warmth, efficiency, and beautiful landscapes made the Sydney 2000 Games truly special. Our journey continues to London, United Kingdom, the host of the 2012 Summer Olympics. London set new standards for sustainability and legacy planning, ensuring that the benefits of the Games would be felt for years to come. The London 2012 Games were a celebration of British culture and innovation. The spectacular opening ceremony, directed by Danny Boyle, showcased Britain's rich history and modern achievements. Athletes like Mo Farah and Jessica Ennis-Hill became national heroes, inspiring millions. City planner London's approach to the Olympics was holistic. The redevelopment of East London, the creation of the Queen Elizabeth Olympic Park, and a focus on sustainability ensured that the city would benefit long after the Games were over. London's successful hosting of the Olympics has left a lasting legacy, with new housing, sports facilities, and green spaces revitalizing the city. The 2012 Games are remembered for their inclusivity, innovation, and lasting positive impact on the community. Next, we head to Los Angeles, USA, the host of the 1984 Summer Olympics. The LA Games are often hailed as a financial and organizational triumph, setting new standards for how the Olympics could be run efficiently and profitably. The 1984 Olympics were a celebration of American spirit and ingenuity. Highlights included the dramatic opening ceremony with the memorable jetpack flight and stellar performances by athletes like Carl Lewis and Mary Lou Retton. Economist Los Angeles revolutionized the Olympic model by leveraging existing infrastructure, securing corporate sponsorships, and ensuring financial discipline. The result was a highly successful and profitable Games that left a positive legacy for the city. Los Angeles' successful hosting of the Olympics demonstrated the potential for cities to host the Games without financial strain. The city's vibrant culture, iconic landmarks, and sunny climate made the 1984 Olympics a memorable event. Our final stop is Tokyo, Japan, the host of the 1964 Summer Olympics. These games were a symbol of Japan's post-war recovery and modernization, showcasing the nation's technological advancements and cultural richness. The Tokyo 1964 Games marked a turning point in Olympic history. They were the first games to be broadcast live via satellite, bringing the excitement of the Olympics to a global audience. Iconic moments included the lighting of the cauldron by Yoshinori Sakai, a symbol of peace and renewal. Cultural historian, Tokyo 1964 was a transformative event for Japan. It accelerated the nation's infrastructure development, including the construction of the Shinkansen bullet train and modern highways. The Games also helped to restore Japan's international standing and cultural pride. Tokyo's successful hosting of the Olympics left a lasting legacy, with modern infrastructure and a renewed sense of national pride. The city's blend of tradition and innovation made the 1964 Games a landmark event in Olympic history. Hosting the Olympics is a monumental task that requires vision, planning, and a commitment to excellence. These 5 cities, Barcelona, Sydney, London, Los Angeles, and Tokyo, have set the gold standard, demonstrating the transformative power of the Olympic Games. From urban renewal to global unity, their legacies continue to inspire and uplift. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the most successful Olympic host cities. Until next time, let the spirit of the Olympics continue to inspire and unite us all.